Pacific. Красота. Добре, ами аз мисля да се смъквам долу-горе цялата работа. Газ да види и ще се смъквам, ще държа геомела, нали това телефона, да видим. Аз просто малко се очудвам, че още не е умрял и телефона и гимбала в интерес на истината, защото те естествено иззета с батерии. Okay, so not too bad. Heart rate in the top of the Koko volcano or Koko Crater, 140. So my walking to the top was about 30 minutes, give or take. But I walk fast. Like I actually don't think that I can walk slow, in all fairness. I feel like the momentum just keeps me moving. Otherwise, if I walk extremely slow, kind of feel like it will basically make me far more tired. Alright, what's the issue? The main issue is that there is no supportive lines on the side, so basically when you're walking, you're on your own. You gotta have at least decent balance. Definitely strong legs, and I guess most importantly, will and desire to reach the top, because otherwise you're screwed. I do see people from all ages, different body structures, weights and everything climbing it, so it's not that big of a deal, and I'm sure some people do it more often. I was climbing it with my flip-flops. I don't know if I would recommend that. I'm sure that if you have a proper sneakers or shoes, it will help you quite a bit. Going up for about 30 minutes, heart rate about 140 on the top, but I was maintaining it of average of 120, starting 30% after I started walking, so really not too bad in my case. Yeah, definitely a strong and healthy heart is perhaps something that I would say you must have. Alright, so I'm gonna go down. I will try to keep the gimbal for well, basically the video is for my parents and myself, good memories. I do not keep any of those videos on my drive, because basically they are like 30, 40, 50 gigs space, so there is no point. Keep only pictures and a couple of short videos. Alright, let's go down. Една камара чернилки и мангали, заради това се чува Сашо Роман на много места. Ами добре, айде надолу, тук вече по-скоро по-полека ще предаше, защото нагоре ми трябва, нали, по-бързо да се движи човека, надолу просто е стъпка по стъпка, така да се каже, по-спокойно, по-внимателно.